You need to hear this if you're a fried chicken lover. This honey pimento chicken sandwich will rock your world. Start by grabbing those golden, crispy fried chicken breasts you love. Now, in a big old bowl, throw together 16 ounces of grated extra sharp cheddar, 4 ounces of cubed cream cheese, 1 cup of jarred pimentos, and a good dollop of mayonnaise. Don't forget the salt and pepper to taste. Mix it all up till it's smoother than a Sunday morning. Here's where the magic happens. Drizzle both sides of your crispy chicken with Mike's hot honey. Trust me, it'll give your sandwich a sweet and spicy kick that'll have y'all coming back for more. Now let's build this masterpiece. Take your soft, buttery hamburger buns and layer them up with pickle slices, that honey-drizzled chicken, and a generous helping of our creamy pimento cheese. There you have it, folks. Fill your dinner table with these irresistible honey pimento chicken sandwiches. It's comfort food with a kick, y'all. Enjoy! Brokenwood, Mystic Farms.